We interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. A representative of the President of the United States will be speaking on all stations shortly.
Good evening, citizens of the United States. I am currently speaking on behalf of the President, as he is currently addressing the situation at hand with various government officials. We are currently facing a very dark day today. At approximately 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, many conflicting reports have come in about mass casualties occurring in all locations of the United States. According to these reports, these deaths are occurring due to an unknown substance being detected within all brands of fireworks used. The substance affects those exposed to it in a lethal manner, as those who have been affected by the substance have shown the following: discoloration of the eyes, mainly consisting of the colors red, white, or blue, catatonia, total body paralysis, and ultimately, death through sudden detonation. The substance has caused many casualties due to the substance entering a victim's eyes, presumably due to the viewer observing an exploding firework. If you are currently in possession of any fireworks, please do not attempt to light any fuse, as you risk exposure to the unknown substance and certain death. Please seek an indoor shelter at this time, and if no such shelter is near your location, avoid looking upwards. Being indoors will prevent you from being affected by the substance, and looking at fireworks indoors is safe. Wearing any protective eyewear is also effective at preventing the substance from entering your eyes. The substance is unable to enter any other orifice of the body, and as such, won't produce any negative effect. While times currently are bleak, we will light up this darkness once more, and we refuse to let the spirit of this historic day be extinguished. All citizens, please follow the instructions that was recently given. This now ends my message. May God bless you all, and may God bless the United States.
That was a message from a representative of the President of the United States. We now return to the emergency alert system.
Please follow all updates on this emergency. Complete mitigation of previous catastrophic event. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the United States Department of Defense, and the United States government. All fireworks have been confiscated from all residents of the United States. The substance responsible for mass casualties across the nation is currently under investigation to determine if it was man-made or a natural substance. Damage is prominent across the United States due to many services failing as a result of civilian deaths, and electrical, gas, water, and internet services may fail within the coming hours. Assessment of damage costs, alongside injuries and casualties, has started, and a report is expected to be released within the next week. If you have suffered any injuries as a result of this event, please report to the nearest hospital or medical center closest to your location. Construction efforts are currently undergoing, and as a result of minor damage to all cities in the United States, these efforts are expected to be completed within the current year. This concludes this broadcast of the emergency alert system. Normal programming will now resume at this time, and the United States government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.